People don't do the bare minimum because they're lazy. They do it because of this leadership mistake. The mistake is only noticing people when something goes wrong. Pag nagkakamali sila. So think about it. When people go above and beyond, tahimik si boss. But when there's a mistake, suddenly there's feedback, attention, and urgency. From a leadership perspective, parang efficient naman to. But from a team's perspective, bakit yung mali lang ang pinapansin? So here's the mindset people develop over time. So if I try harder, I don't get noticed. But if I make a mistake, nako, I get called out. So let me ask you this. Why would anyone give extra effort if excellence feels invisible? Eventually, good people stop stretching, they stop suggesting ideas, they do exactly what's required and nothing more. Bare minimum, di ba? The fix isn't complicated. Leaders must notice and acknowledge effort, not just errors. Kahit simple recognition lang, it tells people what you do matters. When effort is seen, people give more. When effort is ignored, people protect themselves. That's the difference between engagement and bare minimum.